Hi, I'm Joyce. I'm the Energy Lady. And I have a question for you because somebody asked me this recently. Why would I clean my energy field? What is the purpose? And when that person asked me, I asked them somewhat of an intimidating question, and that was, do you brush your teeth? If you brush your teeth every day, why do you brush your teeth? You brush your teeth, I guess, because you want to have your teeth clean and because maybe you want to prevent decay or your teeth rotting. Well, cleaning your energy field is just as important as brushing your teeth because your chakras of your body are in front of every organ. You have a chakra in front of every organ of your body, and those chakras get dirty, which then in turn affects the organs of the body. So why would you do that? So this person who asked me that question booked a session with me, not having any idea what it was to do an energy cleanse or have an energy cleanse. And so when he came in, I asked him, so do you have any body pain or anything that bothers you? He goes, oh, well, yeah, how long do we have here? Shoulders, hips, sciatic, knees, they all hurt. I said, okay, great. So I did an energy cleanse on him, which is what I do. And when we were all finished, I said, so let me know how you're doing. Do you feel 1% better, 2% better? He's like, wow, I feel great. Well, now I forgot to ask him, could he do that before I did the cleanse? So I don't know. But he was raising his arms and shaking them and moving them, saying, I feel really good. In fact, when can I come in again? So that was a pretty powerful experience for him to have, for a person who was skeptical, number one, and also a person who'd never had an energy cleanse, didn't know anything about it. So if you know nothing about it, you are curious, you are skeptical, book a call with me and let's talk. I'd be happy to hear your questions, answer them if I can. And if you really want to be bold, book a session with me and experience it for yourself, okay? So with that, I wish you a wonderful day and we'll talk soon.